Could I be who I choose to be without you judging me? Because I choose to be non-traditional, just a bit of a break from the norm. Two parts is one, crashing, colliding together, within the same entity, being, flesh. I feel this, but I feel that too. Acceptance equals non-acceptance. Why try to define something of the mind? Especially, you see, to be me and my psyche, both good, both bad. Is this really me? Who knows? Who can say? Because at the end of the day, if I don't define myself, decline myself, then why should you? Accept what I choose. We're all lost looking to be found, but there's only one to be found by. Follow your heart. Dream. Be who you want to be. Live, laugh, grow. Find your self-identity.